Hi guys, today I'm going to tell you how to make an attractive presentation on PowerPoint. So let's get started with it. Now here it is. I'm just going to choose a blank presentation. Let's go on layout, blank. Now we'll just paste picture. I want to paste this one picture. You can see is of skeleton. Now you can paste any kind of picture. I just searched skeleton pushing, so it came like this, that skeleton is just pushing something, so I want like that. So now we'll go on its format. There will be option coming remove background here. Now we'll click on it. Now here you will see on the skeleton some area are coming in purple, and where purple area is coming means it is removing that part. So I don't want my skeleton's feet to be removed, this foot and this much part of its another one, and its hand also to be removed. So I'll mark here, option will come mark areas to keep. I'll click on it, and now I'm just drawing the areas which I want to keep. Yeah, it just change everything. Now here you can click anywhere else, or you can click on keep changes. Now you have done. Now let's make it smaller and try to drag it out of the slide. Yeah, I just dragged it out. Now here we'll insert a shape. While click on the slide, it should be rectangle. I'm choosing a rectangular shape. Just want to make the shape a little bit more bigger. Yeah. Now here we'll just make it transparent. We'll go on format shape. Now go on fill. Now go on transparency. Here I'm just doing it 54% transparent. Now here we'll just insert another shape, which would we'll not insert it. We'll just delete it. Now we'll just insert animation on this for a skeleton, that it should just look that it's pushing something. So we'll go on add animation, this option animation, and then add animation. There are more motion paths. Now here there will be option coming in lines that goes right. Remove it to the right. You can see now here it's coming. Now it's a really small distance, means I want it to go further. So I'll just click on this red point and just drag it how much I want to just move it. You can align the skeleton also properly. Here I'll just click on it, go on format, its alignment. I'll just go on the bottom of the slide, make it like moving over there. Now you can see it will go in animation, it will go to this much distance. Yeah, now it's correct. Now let's preview it. Now speed is too much fast. Now how to decrease the speed? We'll go on animation pane. You should click on this and then go on animation pane. Now here there's arrow. Now effect option. Now here it's moving smooth. It's coming in effect option, smooth start and a smooth end. We'll just do it 0 seconds. Now go on timing. It will be on click only. Now it will be 3 seconds. It is slow speed than that one. So now I think it is correct. Or you can make it more slower by going on the second option. That is very slow. Let's preview it. It is moving too much slow. I'll just click on slow. It's on your wish how you want to just make it move fast, move slow, or move medium. Okay. Now when we have done this, now this shape, this shape also just move with this skeleton. Now go in its animation, this shape should get an animation which will be also right. The same thing we have to do with it also. Now it is also moving like this. Okay, now it's also going so much, means a little distance it is only covering, so I would want to make it further, go further. Now I'll move it out of the slide. It should be more than this distance, or just I'll decrease this distance a little bit. Now let's preview it once, how much it is going. Okay, this is going till this much, so we just need a little bit less. Okay, now here we'll come and make it a little bit cool, a little bit covering a small distance than that one which we had. Now you can see it is coming after the skeleton. It's coming after the skeleton, so we'll just do on with previous. Now let's preview it. It's too much fast and it's slow, so we also have to change it also. Now go on animation pane, go on this effect option. Now here also 0 seconds on this. Now it should be also slow. Now let's preview it. I think it is correct, the speed is correct. Let's preview both of them with each other. Okay, so it's looking nice, but I'll just add it a little more closer to make it like look it is pushing the slide. It is a little further than that one. Yeah, I'll just make it touch the slide. The distance is correct. Now let's preview. Now you can see it's looking like that. It is pushing the slide right side to the. It's pushing the slide right side. Okay, now let's again preview it. I'll just change a little bit. Okay, we'll just add this a little bit further to it. Just on this green point, while clicking on this green point, you can go a little bit further. A green and red point. It should cover a little more distance. Now let's preview it. It's not looking good because it's just looking that it's not at all touching it. We'll make it a little more closer. Now let's see. A little bit more closer. Each other. It's like that. Wait. A little bit more closer. I think this much should be correct. Yeah, it is correct. A little bit. Let me make it a little bit small. You just need to see that it is coming correct or not. So you should just preview it again and again. Now it's done. This much is done. Now I just want to make another shape behind this that it should just write what I want to, just the topic or the subject or anything on which I'm making the presentation. I just want it to come when it is pushing, and while pushing it should just come behind. So let's again add a shape, not shape, we'll add a picture to it. So now I got it. I just did it undo. Now here I'll just select these shapes only because I just selected this one also. Now go and just try to union these things. Come on, union, or I'll just group. I just group it. Now these are grouped. Now I'll just send it back. Send this backward, or I'll just bring it front. So now I got it. I just did it undo. Now here I'll just select these shapes only because I just selected this one also. Now go and just try to union these things. Come on, union, or I'll just group. I just group it. Now these are grouped. Now I'll just send it back. Send this backward, or I'll just bring it front. Now here it is on the back. Now let's try to preview it first. Now let's go on animation of preview. This skeleton went backwards. Now I'll just bring it front. Now try to preview. Now you can see it. The skeleton is taking over that. Now I'll just fill color to it also. Now I'll just do a shape. Fill should be a texture. I'll just choose any texture for this. Now let's try to bring it to animation. Now you can see that when it is just pushing this this shape, which I just filled with purple. Now here, when I'll just it is just pushing and backwards while it's pushing, and the text is coming at back. You can see it here. That's like pushing a wall and bringing the other side out. Okay, so it's looking like this, and it would look really attractive. You can just add pictures to it while filling shapes. How I feel, you can just do a gradient fill, a texture fill. Also, so many textures are there. You can do anything with it. So creative. You should be creative to do it. Now I feel this. Now, whenever you feel anything, it's just push out like this. It's just pushing the wall. The skeleton is pushing the wall and bringing the other side out. I'll just try to just make it a little bit more blue because this background color is also blue and the skeleton is also a little bit bluish in color. I just increase the size so a little setting just got disturbed. Now it's correct, and now when you just play this presentation, see, now it looks like this. I hope you liked this video, and if so, please give a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.